Hi guys, in this video we're going to be creating a website using Google. Okay, here is a preview of website we're going to be using right now, but we're going to be adding more features in it than the one you're seeing here. Alright, and you can also have your own domain if you wish to have your own domain, and we're going to be adding a contact form using the Google contact form. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial now. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so to subscribe so that each time we upload a new video you will get notified. So let's get in right now. So here is another tab. Yeah, okay, right here is my recent search, which is Google site. Let me just type it. You can see the Google site. Alright, then you click the first link. Alright, so here we're going to be clicking the blank site, which means we're going to be starting afresh. Okay, so here is what we have to do. We have to change this. Let's pick a theme from here. Right, let me take this. Okay, this is okay. I think this is okay. So I'll be copying the text from here so that this video will not be too long. Then paste it right here. Then you have to adjust it by dragging this. I think it's okay like this. You can also decrease or increase the font size right here. You can increase it or decrease it, but I think this font size is okay. Then to change the background, come to this place and upload the background you wish to use. So let me use, I think I have background right here. Let me check this. Okay, I think it's okay with this. Alright, so to make this about us, I have to come to this place, insert, then I think the same thing as this one, then the image and some text by the right side. So you have to click upload the image we want to use. Let me just say, let me pick, I think this. Alright, so let me copy the text here right here. So I don't want this video to be too long. Then paste it right here. In this text you can change the text color if you wish, so but I think this color is okay for me. If you want to change the text, you just highlight it, then come to this place and pick the color you wish to use. Let me assume we want to use the red color. As you can see, the text I will change, but I think the one I used recently is okay for me. So let's add the paragraph, which is this. Then let me copy this, then paste it right here. Okay, I think it's going well. You can also increase the font size of this or decrease it, but here right here I think the font size is okay. No need to increase or decrease it. I think it's okay. The font size is okay, but let me just drag it. Okay, so next thing we're going to be doing is adding this our service. So for us to add this service right here, we have to come to this place and get this. Okay, this text box right here. So our service, let me just copy this and paste it right here. Okay, I think it's getting okay. So for us to make this kind of this kind of um, this kind of display right here, it's very simple. You just come to this place. As you can see, this is it right here. Just click it and it will be inset. So let's change. Let me insert an image right here. So let me upload an image. Okay, let me copy this CEO and paste it right here. You can also change this text color if you wish to, and you can also increase it or decrease it. I've tell you that before now. And you can also increase or decrease the image by dragging it just like this. But so this size is okay for me. So let me copy this text right here. Paste it right. And I'm going to be doing the same thing. If I put this, okay. Let me just copy this. I'm just using this as an example. Okay. Then copy this text right here. Text still the same thing. Sure. And the last one. Okay. Let me copy this text right here. The image I'm using right here is just for an example, okay? It doesn't matter. So when building yours, you have to be like, you have to look for image you want to use. I'm just using this boot image because I don't want to waste our time. Let me just copy this text. So as you can see in this test now, this particular one and this one is not in the same range. So for us to do that, you have to come to this place, think alignment, and center it, as you can see. So what am I even building? So I think I made a mistake. So let me drag this upward. I think I make a mistake right here. Okay, it's not draggable. So I'm going to be deleting this. Okay, let me just redo this again. I'm going to be fast forwarding this video. Alright guys, I just changed the position. Okay, so this our service was below here, so I then bring it upward, then bring this right and this thing downward. Okay, so what is the next thing? The next thing is just to add this filter right here. So for us to add this filter, you click add filter. Let me just copy this text right here. Then change the color. I think the text is white. Let me change it to black. Then change the alignment to center. Okay, then if you want to change the background color, go to this place and click right here, then make it different. Alright, this is exactly what we have here. So let's preview this. Okay. So for us to publish this website, you have to come to publish right here and name the. Let me say I just want to name it Easy Tech. Then okay, this is a great address, but wait a second. Okay, the address is already taken. Let me add group. Okay, this is available. Then publish. Let's view it. So our website is now running live. So let's add some other features to this website so it will get more. So in this website now, for us to add a contact form or a new page, then you have to come to a page, then click new page. Then let me just name this contact us. Click done. So contact us. So let's get the form for contact us. So let's come to a new tab. Then I want to get the contact form from Google. I think I have to resend search right here. So you click the first link. Alright, so I'm going to be using this. So right here is our contact form. Then you can edit whatever thing you want to edit, like changing the text, removing some. Okay, let me say I want to remove this email input. Then you just click it and delete. Okay, then I want to delete this address. I don't want address input, so this is okay. You can change the background of this, change the text, but for me this is okay for me. Okay, then when you're done, then you come back to this form right here. Then it will show right here. So this is it. I think it's showing too, but okay, let me get one. Then insert. Okay, here is our form. Let me increase this. Sometimes. Okay. I think it's okay. Okay. It's okay now. Okay, so let's see how this contact us form will work. So let's come to preview. Let's preview it. Then here is the contact us form. Then let me fill in this. Okay, my first name is, let me see, Christopher. Then phone number. Then comment. Let me just see. Then click submit. So this, the form is now submit. Then how are you going to get the response from your visitors? Is here. Here is the response. Then this is what I fill in the form. As you can see, as simple as that. Oops, I forgot to add our logo right here. You can also add your logo if you wish to add a logo. Like after adding, let me see, I want to add UC Tech. Then you can add the logo. Then the logo will be showing somewhere here. Okay, that is it. Simple as that. This is for just for the free domain. If you want to have a customized domain, it should be somewhere right here. Let me check this. Sorry, custom domain. Then if you click it, then you follow the prompts, then set it up. It's just simple. All right. So that is it for this tutorial. Please, if you haven't liked this video, please do so to like it so that it will reach to more people, and subscribe also. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.